Welcome to the informative new Poco C40, and I'll show you how to activate Google Assistant on this device. So first let's launch the Google application, and after that we should tap on the right upper corner. Now click here to the settings and select Google Assistant section. After that, scroll all the way down with your finger to the general options, and now just to activate the Google Assistant we should click here once on the switcher and to tap here on this turn on button to confirm your action. And now Google Assistant successfully activated on your Poco device. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.